Got it bumping.
What's good, y'all? It's your girl Mystic here, back with another video. In this video I'm going to be explaining to you guys and showing you guys my sugar scrubs, okay, that I am creating, because you guys said that you was not trying to make it yourself, okay. But before we get into this video and I talk to you guys and explain this to you, I'm gonna need you to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'm gonna need you to hit that notification bell, okay. So let's get into the scrub real fast, okay. This is one of the jars. I'll get a close-up on the jars, but each jar that I make has a spoon to go with it, okay. And they're all different. Each jar, I'll see if I can make a little clip of video. These are a few orders that I have to ship out tomorrow. I wanted to show some of you guys the different little jars and designs that is painted by yours truly. You already know it is me. It's me that I developed this, okay. Each design is different, each jar is different. Sugar scrub is a sugar scrub that I use, that I incorporate with my daily manifestation routines to manifest more prosperity and abundance and wealth into my life. If you, like I told you in the other video, if you don't want to use it for that or whatever, you don't, believe in it, it's always good to use, period, because it's a very good exfoliant, and makes your skin feel really soft, and it's all natural products. It's vegan friendly as well, okay. I do make these to order because it is vegan friendly, you know what I'm saying. I don't want nothing to be sitting around long. I wanted you guys to get it after I make it, because once I make these, I set my intentions on these. I also charge these with Reiki as well, and I do let them charge in one of my altar spaces as well, just to gain some more energy and just to charge it up for you guys, so you guys can bring forth that money, okay, that money, that prosperity, that wealth, that success that you want in your life. And this retails for right now, well, I'll extend it, because I did have from the 20th to the 23rd of June, I did have it $35.35 up until after the 23rd it was going to go to the regular price. But I'll extend it, since I'm late posting this video. I've been meant to make this video, but yeah, anyway, I'll extend it up until Friday. I don't know what Friday date is. I'll put it up here I'll put it up here somewhere to let you guys know. It'll be $35.35. After that it's $40.40. And you guys wondering, well, why is it that much? Because it's time and energy that I put into this, and I do not use bullshit products to make this. I make sure I'm very particular in the type of things that I use. I did switch around a couple things that I use for the video, because with me sometimes I'm just like, I'll use what I can get at that moment, I'll say. But for other people, I'm real particular, you know what I'm saying. I want, you know what I'm saying, you get what I'm saying, y'all get what I'm saying. But I believe this is the 8-ounce jar. And once after you're done with the jar, the paint I used on this jar, I made sure I specifically used a paint where this could be dishwasher friendly, in case you guys would want to use it to drink out of, or whatever you want to do with the jar after the fact. You know what I'm saying? So you can do whatever it is that you want after. You can use it as for decorations. Your makeup brushes in there, or you could use it as a manifestation jar, because like I said, it is charged with Reiki. Reiki symbol on the bottom of all of the jars. And to look out for that, I am going to start creating manifestation jars, like the boxes. So look out for that. I'll be making it soon as well. I gotta explain how you use it. So once you're in the shower or whatever, and after you doing, I don't know, whatever, I don't know how y'all wash your tails, okay? So as I'm in the shower, after I'm doing whatever, I'll get the scrub out, and I'll say a chant that's on here. It says, I attract more prosperity to me. Thank you, God, I am financially free. And I say that as I'm scrubbing and I'm setting my intentions. I'm visualizing the wealth and prosperity that I do want in my life. Okay? And after that, I go about my day. Okay? If you have any other chants that you would prefer to use, or you just want to pray, or just visualize, or just do whatever, you can do it as well. But I did want to give something for you guys to say and use, just in case if you just don't know what to do or what to say, or you're the type of person that needs to be directed on what to do. Okay, that's all. If you're interested in purchasing one, you can email me at unfilteredmystic.com, and I can make sure I get this out to you. And I meant to tell y'all, this is free shipping, so it's $35 free shipping. Okay, so you getting a nice cute little scrub, you know what I'm saying, in a cute little jar with the matching spoons. Okay, you bringing up that money, you know what I'm saying, you manifesting more prosperity. Okay, and like I said, it works best incorporated with other daily manifestation routines. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I'll see y'all in my next video. Okay, bye.